Good evening, this is Lori Gunzelman. I'm just going to share a little bit of work that our middle school math department team has done, as well as give you a little tour of our shared drive that was set up for us by the technology department. Our first order of business beginning a couple years ago was to study the standards and determine when and where each of those standards would be taught here in the district. So we began by assigning each standard to a grade level and a course. So this is a document that we created. This is 6th grade Accelerated Common Core, as you can see, that shows all of the standards that we will cover in each of those courses. These are the standards, of course, that would be described in our course handbook and that we would assess students on during the course of the school year. Since it is accelerated, we see some 7th grade standards listed. We have a similar document that covers the on-level courses. This one covers the 3 accelerated courses. After we determined what was going to be taught where, our next order of business was to break that down very specifically so that each teacher would be covering the same concepts within the same quarter. So when students move from building to building or from teacher to teacher, they have a common shared background. Our next task was to move to the classroom level and begin writing pre-tests. We worked together to write some common pre-tests and post-tests. We share those again on our shared drive so that teachers can access them at the time that they see fit. And then we began working on specific activities and projects that our students might do in our courses. So many of these are created by the individuals and then just shared for others if they want, and some of them we worked on together. For example, we did a project called Raising the Baby, where the students analyzed to determine which was better, store-bought baby food or homemade baby food. And in this example, we looked at the price, we looked at taste. Yes, we actually made the homemade baby food. We looked at nutrition, we looked at convenience and all of those. And so this was something that students in both middle schools did if they were in the on-level 7th grade course. The shared drive has been a great way for us to collaborate. When we get together as a group, we start brainstorming, and then we often divide and conquer, share our information on the shared drive, and it's a great way when we don't see each other on a daily or weekly basis that we can share our ideas.